Here's how to install 2 Messenger apps on Android. Now, if you have one phone, but you wanted 2 different accounts on 2 different apps, I'll show you how to do it. But first, if this helps you out, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we can do is navigate to Messenger. So if I open up Messenger, your first option is within the Messenger app itself. You can see I'm logged into my account. I can tap on menu at the very bottom right. And I can just hit switch profile and I can switch to my page or another account if I just wanted to add it in here. So that is one option to just switch back and forth between different accounts, but one app. But you can also install 2 different apps to be able to manage those as well. To do that, we're going to either swipe down from the top right and tap on the settings icon at the top right, that gear, or you can also just swipe up to the app drawer and tap on settings. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down until we find the option for advanced features and tap on that. And then we're going to look for dual messenger at the very bottom. Now, if you don't see dual messenger or this doesn't look the same as you, you can just tap on search here and just search for dual messenger and tap on that. The nice thing is once we get in here, it allows you to install 2 different messenger apps. All I need to do is toggle this on and hit install. And you'll be able to see it says second copy of Messenger has been installed. If I hop out of here and I go to my app drawer here, you'll be able to see here is my normal account, but I can also go back here and tap on the other account and you'll be able to see it's not logged in at all. I can log into an entirely separate Facebook Messenger account on this second app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.